Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic: animal extinction. Did you know that, according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, around 28,000 species of animals are threatened with extinction? That's more than a quarter of all known species. Extinction is a natural process that has been happening for millions of years. However, human activities have accelerated this process alarmingly. Oh, and before we get started, how about giving our channel a little boost? Drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss any new content. Your participation is essential to us. The Bengal tiger is one of the most endangered feline species in the world. Currently, it's estimated that there are only about 2,000 individuals in the wild, concentrated in India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Burma, and Tibet. It's an imposing species, with a robust and muscular body covered in orange fur with black stripes. It's the largest feline in Asia and one of the largest in the world, reaching up to 3 meters in length and weighing up to 300 kilograms. The Bengal tiger is a solitary animal that lives in tropical and subtropical forests. It's a top predator, which means it has no natural predators. Its diet consists mainly of deer, wild boar, and buffalo. Although the Bengal tiger is listed as a critically endangered species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, there are efforts to protect the species. For example, the Indian government has created a series of natural reserves to protect the tiger's habitat. The Hawaiian monk seal is an endemic species, meaning it only exists in the Hawaiian archipelago. It's a small but very beautiful species with dark brown fur. The Hawaiian monk seal is a small animal with a robust and muscular body covered in dark brown fur. Its diet consists mainly of fish, squid, and crustaceans. Unfortunately, the Hawaiian monk seal is threatened with extinction. It's estimated that there are currently about 1,000 living animals. The main threats to the species are habitat loss, illegal hunting, and conflict with humans. The cross-river gorilla is a subspecies of the western gorilla that inhabits the mountainous region of Nigeria and Cameroon. They are endangered and considered the rarest great apes in the world, with only about 300 individuals in the wild. Cross-river gorillas are social animals that live in groups of up to 30 individuals. They are herbivores, and their diet consists mainly of leaves, shoots, and fruits. Despite the threats, efforts are being made to protect the cross-river gorillas. The governments of Nigeria and Cameroon, in partnership with conservation organizations, have created natural reserves to protect the gorilla's habitat. The Iberian lynx is a feline species that inhabits the Iberian Peninsula, being one of the most endangered felines in the world. Currently, it's estimated that there are only about 200 individuals in the wild, distributed in Portugal and Spain. The Iberian lynx is a medium-sized animal with a robust and muscular body. It's a solitary animal that lives in Mediterranean forests. It's a top predator, which means it has no natural predators. Its diet consists mainly of hares, rabbits, and other small mammals. The Amur leopard is a subspecies of leopard that inhabits the Russian Far East, being one of the most endangered leopard subspecies in the world. Currently, it's estimated that there are only about 84 individuals in the wild. The Amur leopard is a medium-sized animal with a robust and muscular body. It's a solitary animal that lives in mountainous forests. It's a top predator, which means it has no natural predators. Its diet consists mainly of deer, wild boar, and other medium-sized mammals. Sumatran Rhino. It's the smallest of the recent rhinoceros species and the one with the most primitive characteristics. Like its African relatives, it has 2 horns, with the anterior one much larger than the posterior one. It has a unique brownish-brown fur among family members. Little is known about its ecology, behavior, and reproduction in nature, due to its stealthy and nocturnal habits and the difficulty of research in the forest environment. The Sumatran rhinoceros, one of the most endangered mammals in the world, is struggling against habitat loss and illegal hunting. With fewer than 80 individuals remaining, urgent measures are needed to protect this incredible species. The red wolf, considered extinct in the wild in 1980, was successfully reintroduced but now faces new challenges. With only 15 individuals remaining in the wild, urbanization and hunting pose serious threats to these magnificent predators. The red wolf is a medium-sized animal. It's a social animal that lives in groups of up to 15 individuals. It's a top predator, which means it has no natural predators. Its diet consists mainly of deer, elk, and other ungulates. Entufado baiano, a bird native to the Brazilian Atlantic forest, is fighting for survival. With fewer than 15 individuals remaining after a devastating fire, protecting this habitat is crucial to prevent the extinction of this unique species. Additionally, it's a small bird about 19 centimeters long. It's a territorial animal that lives in humid forests. It's an insectivore, and its diet consists mainly of insects such as crickets, grasshoppers, and butterflies. Search efforts for new individuals have been ongoing for years, but expectations are low, as the species' habitat is threatened due to deforestation of the Atlantic forest, with few areas suitable for the species' existence. Its current occurrence area is heavily affected by fires and wood extraction. The saola, known as the Asian unicorn, is one of the most elusive species in the world, with only 4 confirmed sightings since its discovery in 1992. Illegal hunting poses a serious threat to this unique species. The saola is an artiodactyl mammal species that inhabits the mountain forests of Vietnam and Laos. It's one of the rarest mammal species in the world. The saola is a medium-sized animal, about 1.5 meters long and 0.8 meters tall. It's a herbivorous animal, and its diet consists mainly of leaves, shoots, and fruits. A curiosity is that all saolas captured in zoos have died without any logical explanation. It seems that these animals are extremely restricted to types of climates, habitats, and proper food, which are still not perfectly known by humans, making it so difficult to care for saolas. The vaquita is a rare species of porpoise endemic to the northern Gulf of California. It's also known as the Gulf of California harbor porpoise. This is the smallest and most threatened cetacean species and is endemic to the extreme northern Gulf of California. The species is distinguishable by dark rings around its eyes, spots on its lips, and a line extending from its dorsal fins to its mouth. The vaquita has taken the title of the most threatened cetacean in the world and has been listed as critically endangered since 1996. An estimate released in March 2019, based on acoustic data collected in the summer of 2018, is that there are at most 22 and a minimum of 6 living vaquitas. The population decline is attributed to accidental captures from illegal fishing with gill nets for the totoaba macdonaldi, a similarly endemic cyanidio from the Gulf of California that is also critically endangered. We've reached the end of this exciting video about endangered animals. I hope you've learned about the importance of protecting these incredible species and how each of us can make a difference. Remember, together we can change the course of this story and ensure a better future for all life forms on our planet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on nature conservation. And if you like the video, leave a like and share it with your friends. Your participation is crucial to furthering this important cause. Let's join forces to protect endangered animals and preserve the biodiversity of our planet. Thank you for watching, and until the next video.